Hi guys, so I wanted to do a special video on one of my favorite essential oil blends right now. This is going to help all you preggo mamas out there, or even some of you who just want to get rid of stretch marks. Let's be real. We all got tiger stripes up in this piece, okay? For me, I'm about 24 weeks pregnant. I'm in my second trimester and I'm doing anything and everything I can to make sure that my skin stays on point. That includes stretch marks. I want my belly to be able to expand and grow, comfortably as well without any pain. Like, I don't want to feel the growing pains or anything that, like. This blend is inspired by my new Bible. This has been my Bible for a very long time, and this is the Essential Oils book for pregnancy, birth, and babies from Stephanie Fritz, one of my closest, dearest friends, Miss Carissa. She got this for me as a gift. Bless her heart. I live by this book. It's become my Bible. Everything that she has said in here has helped me, guided me, and I've had the best pregnancy. And of course I have nothing to compare it to because this is my first, but she told me that this book helped her through a lot of things, and I will tell you right now, I've given recommendations to other preggo mamas in different times of their pregnancies using this book, and they've all reported back to me that things are 100. So love this book. She's amazing. If you are pregnant or about to be pregnant or want to be pregnant, I highly recommend you get this book. It's fantastic. Even if you're in postpartum stage, she has a lot of information on postpartum care as well. So this blend is inspired by her particular stretch mark blend. There's a few changes that I made only because I know my skin and I know that I want a few extra things in there. So I switched out a few things. I'll leave her original recipe down below and then the changes that I made. Ideally, I would use Immortelle all day, every day, but that little roller bottle is so expensive. So I usually use that one at night, mixed with fractionated coconut oil, and then I use this blend otherwise. So this is easy for me to make. I have all the oils and other oils I can use for other things. I use plenty of these oils, if not all of them, for other stuff. Cypress and Geranium are two oils that you may want when you're pregnant. They're fantastic. And Helichrysum and Frankincense are just good for healing in general, so I just have those always because I'm the most accident-prone person you'll ever meet. As far as your choice in fractionated coconut oil or carrier oil, it's totally up to you, but I definitely recommend fractionated coconut oil. doTERRA makes my favorite one. It's ideal in my opinion. I love the texture of it. It's fantastic. Another one that I like to use is this one from Now. This one is easily found almost anywhere. It's super inexpensive, and my local natural grocery store has it for super inexpensive, and they're always on sale. So whenever I want to like make stuff that requires more than like a 3-ounce bottle, like today, I would normally use this one. So you'll see me use this one today. But just so you guys know, this is my personal favorite. So I'm going to describe the oils that I'm going to be putting in here and why, just very briefly. Helichrysum is what we call liquid stitches. It's amazing at healing, and it's perfect for wrinkles and stretch marks specifically. Frankincense is healing on a cellular level. It's fantastic, both inside and outside. It helps with scars, stretch marks, skin regeneration. It's great at healing, of course, like I just said. And it also helps with back pain, which is really nice. So if you take this massage blend and you massage it like around your belly, around your hips, and towards the back, it'll help with that a little bit as well. And so will the Cypress. Cypress is actually really good for circulation and edema. They recommend it for that. Miss Fritz has a blend for that using Cypress, so it's also one of the reasons why I picked this guy up. And it's also amazing at cellulite, so it's going to help keep your skin like really smooth, which I love. Geranium is a nice alternative to rose. Rose, if you guys have ever bought the doTERRA bottle, it's like almost $300 or more. It's insane. It's worth every penny, but it's very specially sourced, so it's incredibly expensive. It does come in the Immortelle blend, but this is another alternative if you would like to make a stretch mark blend. Geranium's actually really good in any kind of skincare, to be honest, because it's regenerating for tissue. It's also really good at hormonal balance, which will result in your skincare balance, or your skin balance, sorry. And it'll also help retain moisture. So it's really good if you tend to be dry, and a lot of the times when you get itchy when you're pregnant, it's because your skin is too dry. So it's really great for that as well. Citrus Bliss I like this one specifically because it has all of the powerhouse citrus oils in it. It has wild orange, lemon, grapefruit, mandarin orange, bergamot, tangerine, clementine. I don't think I'm forgetting one. I think that's it. And then it has a hint of vanilla in it just for, you know, a little extra smell. So this one is really good. Her blend also recommends wild orange, but since it's already in here, I switched the wild orange for frankincense, because I know how my skin is, and my skin I scar very easy, and I want to be able to fade whatever stretch marks I already have. So I switched out for that because this one is a powerhouse of citrus blends. Then there's lavender. Lavender, if you guys didn't know, is actually regenerating and healing already. It's very good at soothing the skin. I use it all the time for like my burn marks. I get burned all the time, especially when I'm cooking or baking, or just, again, because I'm super accident prone. It's helped heal a lot of the scars and just wounds in general. It has a lot of really good healing properties. So lavender can do so many things. It's great. It's also nice and relaxing. So when you rub this whole blend on your belly, like, you just kind of start to relax. Like, it's a nice relaxing massage. I ain't gonna be mad at that, because sometimes us prego mamas can be real stressed out. You know what I'm saying? So this recipe technically is made for a 6-ounce bottle. Whatever bottle that you choose, I highly recommend, if you can, to get a glass kind, something like this. It doesn't have to come with a dropper. Some of them come with pumps, whatever you like. I go through this oil pretty quickly because I use it every day, so this plastic one's been working for me personally. As long as you heavily dilute your oils, like, it's gonna have like a good maybe 3-ish ounces of the coconut oil in there, so it's pretty heavily diluted already. If it's pure, like the yarrow palm, it needs to be kept in a glass or amber bottle. So whatever container you use, just make sure it's safe for essential oils. Start out with about 2 to 3 drops of Helichrysum. I'm gonna do 3, just because. And then we're gonna do 5 drops of Frankie. So basically this whole 3-ounce bottle is gonna hold at least like 20-25 drops, because the original recipe for a 6-ounce bottle calls for about 40 to 45. And we're gonna do 5 drops of Cypress, and we're gonna do 2 to 3 drops of Geranium. I'm gonna do 3. If you get an extra drop in there, don't freak out. It's not a big deal. I know some people were like, does it have to be exact? I mean, yeah, you're fine. 5 drops. See, like that. That was like 6 drops. 5 drops of the Citrus Bliss, and then 5 drops of the lavender. 5. All right. So doTERRA oils are extremely pure. If this was any other brand, I'll be honest with you and tell you that you will likely need more than that. So this is all that's gonna go in there, and then you're gonna top it off. These are so pure. I'm telling you, you don't need more than this. Don't get excited and try to fill it up all the way. It's so unnecessary. You're gonna regret it. Don't do it. And then we're just gonna fill this guy up. Easy peasy. Gonna top it off with FCO. Someone was telling me like, oh, that doesn't seem like enough. It's enough, believe me. Then you just shake her up. And even when you open this up and you smell it, it smells divine. Like, you don't need a lot. If you want to put an extra couple drops of other things, feel free, but it's honestly not necessary at all. Like, if you smell this, it smells like all the oils all together. Like, it smells pretty strong, in my opinion. That's also another reason why you want a carrier oil that doesn't have a lot of fragrance to it, because you want to be able to carry your oils properly. And that's it. Easy peasy. You can use this day and night. I use mine in the morning. Label it however you like. I go through this pretty fast because I use like a palm full, massage it, and I'm like obsessed with using it. So after the shower, in the morning, at night, I'm always using this guy. So I'll probably run out of this pretty quickly. But yeah, hope you guys like that DIY, and I will see you guys soon.